YouTube, what's happening with y'all, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby, aka Kawhi Leonard, or as Rep Milwaukee would call me, Weezy Westbrook. Back in the building, man. You know we go back like 2 flats on that Cadillac. Hey man, appreciate y'all for coming through as usual. Welcome to the channel. Now, y'all know how I go, man. If you new over here, this your first time watching me, make sure you Hulk smash that subscribe button for your boy. Hit that like button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I put out. I know when you hit that like button, man, that's gonna help the channel grow. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all make sure y'all do that. All my day ones, man, just welcome back, man. I'm glad y'all still here, man. You know, without y'all, it wouldn't be no Weezy F baby, you feel me? But nah, speaking of my subscribers, hey man, shout out to y'all. Shout out. I ain't even gonna call y'all subscribers because y'all like family. Y'all know we chop it up in the DMs 24/7. Well, not 24/7, but we chop it up a lot, man. But this one right here, man, this one right here, this box right here came from a subscriber who hit me up. As y'all know, I didn't have access on the Kyries. Like, I did not have early access on the Kyrie 7s, which is kind of odd because I buy Kyries. I like Kyrie, so sneakers out. What's up with that, man? Come on now. So shout out to Miss Nikki. Miss Nikki hit me up. She was like, "Go!" I hit on the Kyrie, the early access Kyrie. I know you like Kyrie, so you know what I'm saying. I know you wear size 12, so just shout out to Miss Nikki, man. She looked out for your boy, and I'm excited because I don't know which pair this is. Y'all know they came out in a mystery pack, so I'm gonna be. This is like a live little look. I'm raw dogging this right now. I'm really raw dogging this. I don't know what to expect. Now, when I open the box, I hope it is the Expression pair. That's the pair that's kind of pink, that little aqua blue or whatever it's called. I hope it's that pair because that's the pair I really want the most. I also got another pair coming from another subscriber, so I'm gonna title this as part 1 Kyrie 7 mystery box because I do have another one. But shout out to y'all, man. Like, y'all been showing your boy love. I appreciate it. Like I keep telling y'all, I still feel like I'm a nobody in sneaker YouTube because my channel is very small. But hey, man, that's why I keep telling y'all, I feel like I'm the J. Cole of sneaker YouTube because I don't get the love that I think I deserve. You know, I'm underrated, but I think Skip might be the most underrated, never duplicated. But I'm just playing out underrated. You feel me? At least that's how I feel. But y'all let me know. But I ain't gonna keep rambling on with y'all. Let's go. Y'all see it. We don't have no Just Steal It tape, y'all. The Just Steal It tape is gone. So shout out to Nike. They know it's the holidays. So it look like it's gonna be an easy open right here. Let me see what we got now. Ooh, we got the black Kyrie box this time around. So y'all see the Kyrie logo. Ooh, Kyrie logo. And the label reads Kyrie 7. Colorway is bleached aqua / metallic gold. Bruh, I got the. Which one was the bleached aqua pair? I know it ain't the red pair. Size 12. These retail for $140. Like I said, shout out to Miss Nikki because she hit me up with them things, man. Did that focus for y'all? Shout out to Miss Nikki. Miss Nikki hit me up with a size 12-piece shorty. Let's see what we got, man. Oh, I like the lid though. I like the box. Okay. I'm liking these a little bit. What I was expecting, but I like these a little bit. You feel me? But they all right though. So this is what we got, man. This was the movie pair, right? I think it was the sound effects. Yeah, this is the sound effects pair. Let y'all see that. That look kind of good though. I mean, these kind of remind me of the Squidward Kyrie 5. So, I like it. I can dig it. You know, beggars can't be choosers, and I'm definitely not the type of person that complains about everything. But here we go, man. So yeah, I ended up getting the movie pair. This is crazy. I wanted the Expressions pair, that orange, pink, blue one, But it is what it is. Like I said, I got another pair coming. So we gonna see what that pair is on part 2. But let's go ahead and dive into this one. All right, now like I said, this pair right here is the movie pair. They called it the sound effects. And from my early readings from Nike, they said this one pays homage to Kyrie's love of movies, making movies. Now we all know that Kyrie has been inspired by the movies. He started out playing a character called Uncle Drew. We all know about Uncle Drew. Started out in the Pepsi commercials, and then a couple years later, he actually made a Uncle Drew movie, which is, by the way, a good movie. So I think it's gonna be better than Space Jam Part 2. The green sole is supposed to symbolize a green screen. I don't think this is much green. I mean, it's like a lime green, or I don't know. It's like a real light shade of green. I wouldn't even call it lime green. All right, guys, and the upper is designed to symbolize a cinematographic like overlay. So, like I said, he liked movies, but this is crazy right here. This is without a shot of a doubt one of the most craziest colorways I've ever seen. The heel has the gold film canvas. It actually has lightning bolts on it too. The lightning bolts are supposed to symbolize the effects, like the special movie effects. So special effects, I guess that's where the name came from on this sneaker, the special effects. All right, and in gold trimming, it has HF. I know the HF stands for Happy Family. And moving back to the upper on the sneaker, it is outlined with a gold Nike swoosh. This is crazy, man. Like I said, Kyrie always have crazy details on his sneakers. Like, it's amazing. And I feel like Kyrie, with Nike basketball, he has the best collabs. Like, no disrespect to LeBron and Kevin Durant and Paul George. I don't think Paul George has ever had a collab. Or I know LeBron did it with Martin. I think that was the most recent one. And Kevin Durant hasn't had one in a minute. I know KD was on his way to different collabs, but KD sneakers, they fallen down for the most part, man. But so far, Kyrie has the best Nike basketball sneakers there is. Down at the heel of the sneaker, he has a quote about Kobe Bryant. When Kobe Bryant died, said his legacy is going to live on forever. And I wholeheartedly believe that is true. Kobe inspired millions of people like myself. And I know me, when I have kids, I'm definitely going to show them my Kobe tapes. Just to let them know, hey man, this is the type of basketball player Kobe was. And if y'all love basketball like your daddy do, then you gonna model yourself after being on that court. This is a dope sneaker. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Hey man, I'm about to give y'all a quick little surprise with this sneaker. It's something I'm definitely excited to give y'all, because this is something I've been wanting to give y'all since I first started YouTube. But here you go, man. A on foot of these. A special on foot of these right here. Let's go.
Cooking up another batch. Lost my job for something stupid. That just mean I probably need to focus on this music. I'm sitting on a gold mine gift, I should use it, but the gift ain't gave me gold yet, cause I've been going through it. Let me tell you a story about this job I had. I was hired on the spot and it made me glad. I was fired in a month, the owner said I wasn't passionate. But how I'm gonna be passionate? I only make 11, 50. What make you think I wanna jump up out the bed to make 11, 50? What make you think I wanna work for you? I heard Amazon was paying people 15 ones. Got a job and I was fired after about 6 months. I was well up out the country trying to have some fun. Then came back to my job playing a victim. Went to another company and I had 3 interviews. Found out I rap and said my socks didn't fit with their shoe. Was it the hair or the sweat that gave away what I do? Was it the Google search image that had gave you a clue? Was it the nose ring? Nah, I took that out cause I knew that if you seen that you would've sent me out of the room. I could probably get a job at Harris Teeter making 9 something. Work for about a year, get a raise just to make 11, 50. What make you think I wanna jump up out the bed to make 11, should I go back to school? Make a decision, 2 pills, it's either red or it's blue. They said pray about it, I did, now what do I do?
Hey man, I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your boy with the Kyrie 7 mystery box. Ooh, we got the special effects. Like I said, I got another pair coming, so we gonna see what's up with that. I hope I have the expressions pair or either the music pair. I know the music pair was that was special with Travis Scott, and for some reason every time Travis Scott name touched something, all these resellers and all these fanboys, they go fool about him. But here we have it, y'all. Let y'all see that thing. And baby, y'all know how I get out of here. Appreciate y'all for coming through, as always, and sending y'all love, peace. With all this beef, put some chicken grease on that thing. Weezy out of here.